Good morning, student. Welcome you. Shaukat Ali Chemistry classes. Today we start new topic dioxygen, the atomic form of oxygen. Dioxygen first time obtained by Scheele in 1772 by heating the mixture of mercuric oxide. Joseph Priestley also obtained oxygen by heating mercury oxide using sunlight. Oxygen is known to exist in three isotopic forms: 8O16, 8O17, 8O18. 8O18 is a radioactive isotope. Occurrence: oxygen is the most abundant element on Earth. It occurs both in the free state as well as in combined state. In the free state, oxygen occurs as an extent of 23.2% by weight or 21% by volume in atmospheric air. Methods of preparation. Laboratory method. In the laboratory, dioxygen can also be prepared conventionally by heating a mixture of potassium chlorate KClO3 and manganese dioxide in a hard glass test tube about 420 Kelvin. The gas thus produced may be collected in the downward displacement method of water as is shown in figure. 2KClO3 when heat up gives 2KCl plus 3O2. We take a mixture of potassium chlorate and manganese dioxide in a hard glass tube in 4:1 and it is connected to the gas jar. The tube is heated. Oxygen obtained which collect in gas jar. Properties of dioxygen. Dioxygen is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. It is not much soluble in water. It can be observed by a considerable extent in alkaline pyrogalol. It can be liquefied under pressure to a pale black blue liquid. It is heavier than air. It is paramagnetic in nature. Industrial manufacture. At industrial scale, it is prepared by the electrolysis of sulfuric acid using platinum electrodes or alkaline water by using nickel electrode. H2SO4 gives 2H ion and SO4 ion. At cathode, H plus ion. Gain electron, form hydrogen gas, and at anode, hydroxyl ion lose electron and form water and oxygen gas. Acid water is electrolyzed by using platinum electrode, while alkaline water by using nickel electrode. Chemical properties. Due to high bond dissociation energy 493.4 kilojoule, it reactions with metals and non-metals requires heat stimulus. Once reaction is start, heat evolved during the reaction sustain. For example, burning of charcoal, small size, high electronegativity and unavailability of d orbitals are responsible for anomalous chemical behavior of oxygen. It is inert towards litmus and thus is neither acidic nor basic. Supporter of combination. Its support in the combination or burning reaction with metals. Different types of metals combine with dioxygen under different conditions to form their oxides. Active metals like sodium, potassium, calcium react with dioxygen at an ordinary temperature and form their oxides 4Na plus O2, 2Na2O, 2Ca plus O2 gives 2CaO. While magnesium burns in dioxygen to form magnesium dioxide or magnesium oxide 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Metals like iron, aluminium combine with oxygen on heating to form their oxide 4Fe plus 3O2 give 2Fe2O3. 4Al plus 3O2 gives 2Al2O3. Reaction with non-metals. Oxygen react with non-metal to form oxides such as it react with dihydrogen to form water 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. It combined with dinitrogen to form nitric oxide N2 plus O2 2NO. It combined with carbon to form carbon dioxide C plus O2 gives CO2. It combined with sulfur, first form sulfur dioxide and then sulfur trioxide S plus O2 SO2. Excess अगर O2 की हो तो SO3. It combined with phosphorus to form phosphorus pentaoxide P4 plus 5O2 gives P4O10. Reaction with compounds. It reacts with ammonia to form nitric oxide in the presence of platinum. Catalyst act as a catalyst 4NH3 plus 5O2 gives 4MnO. Reaction with hydrogen chloride. It reacts with hydrogen chloride to form chlorine 4HCl plus 5O2 2H2O plus 2Cl2. It reacts with sulfur dioxide to form sulfur trioxide 2SO2 plus O2 2SO3. It reacts with carbon disulfide to form carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide CH2 plus 3O2 gives CO2 plus 2SO2. It reacts with metal sulfides to form gives sulfur dioxide. For example, zinc sulfide reacts with O2 to form ZnO plus 2SO2. Mercuric sulfide 2HGS plus 3O2 gives 2HGO plus 2SO2. Reaction with hydrocarbon. All saturated and unsaturated and aromatic hydrocarbons burns in excess of dioxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. CH4 plus O2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. CH2S6 ethane plus 3 by 2O2 gives 2CO2 plus 3H2O. Uses of dioxygen. Oxyl, hydrogen and oxyacetylene form flames are used in cutting and welding. Liquid oxygen is used as a rocket fuel. It is in the production of oxygen containing organic chemical. Liquid oxygen used with finely divided carbon is used in place of dynamite in coal mining, in the manufacture of steel, in metal fabrication as an oxidizing and bleaching agent. It is used for the life support system in hospitals, under water diving for divers.